me hu say enenso Ghana lawyers are control exams and then ye from calling them to the bar. A say and then lawyers bibri ye be from say afedo mutimi du mujuma as lawyers. Na matro bibi wo mi social media me pese yesa kan wasem quickly. And say emre bi me kan sa asem we wa ha say Ghana ye problem a ye nya pa ne say yenya lawyers bibri wo oman mu na oman a wani gese wo more lawyers than engineers any scientists no onko wani mesase mekaye no ase obia mfa anya hwe ene say ye bewie so lawyers be hwan menka say lawyer enye good, in fact a professional work. I respect lawyers. But makan wa hamesa repeat. Oh, okay, ene da so na no pay over Facebook me de atoso that we rejoice in having more lawyers than engineers and scientists in this country. The coffin seller also prays for good patronage. The name person can say ukwa asafo a labor hona wono muton ifnada kano oyo gidi new. But there was ono nso kwa adwuma okwa adwuma kwa yeden okwa adwuma se ono nso nyankopon dom no na onye sika emrefi na adwuma oye ne se otonfunu adaka minianum ni bi na eton me papa num bi na eton me maame num bi na eton enti de owo tent no de yeden oye ye tent ne de ne se ono nso bompa se nyankopon dom no e kire se obi wo ho a na adwuma so obi wu a meboa na adwuma no na do ton efrada ka opeso yeden carpenter ni no ye frada ka no onye nden eyeden e wo so obompaye na eja onya bibi kakra na etimi boa no mamunti ha me se men ka se lawyers enye good profession. In fact, I respect lawyers. Enye easy to become a lawyer. But advanced countries, you know, say obi a lawyer, na ne somfa so no bebre. If you say on mine o medru sa level na say obi anya lawyer bia BBC a ebetimi di aboa no. Of course, on mine here lawyers bebre. Na ti ha no kure wom ne say on mine say efa engineers efa scientist say a kaso obi a doctor obi a engineer obi a biotechnologist obi a building technologist me first degree a building technology minia odimechi or a civil engineer. I can tell you say minia no enye nyame edru baby na eden or a civil engineer professional worker. If you say aha no ye engineer mpokra ye mfa wonya hwe just say bia we aligned to political party into bon so be a contractor wa fa engineers but wonya adwuma anya because wonya aligned to MPP and say NDC enti ene no we contractor kra na wonya engineer na ye contractor now you aligned to NDC MPP and no benya more contract than an engineer. You will chroma ye small scale mining. And so small scale mining is to say omaphobia or ebia waye geomatic engineering, geodetic and now water engineer na soil engineer ebi eni hosa. Enti ubetimi akọ school say oye wakọ akosua petroleum engineer. Petroleum engineer na e wosenka no ye boa man ye odi na adwen boa na Ghana ya nkase yetu ye fango no ne su ni mfaso. Oman bi ekọ nanim bia no omudi omadwen ekọ scientist and engineers so. Oman na ni gese omu produce more scientists and engineers than lawyers. But Ghana de atwa butu. Ye lawyers no ebe ko parliament no makoka brofo. Ye lawyers no ko drage. Ye lawyers no de ade na ebe ko court. Say LGBT. Ye say enye propaganda force wonpe. Wo de ko court na lawyer bi twintwan che say eno kwa timi di 1 year because lawyer bi di ade bi ko court. Me a scientist, me engineer. The way I engineers ye dwene no, ye calculate, na ya forecast it. A logical reasoning or mind be a konanim no, or the calculations na ye adwuma. Enye kasa ni dede. Me say engineers ne scientists yemfa wo mo ho. Ba ye soriano pa ye ko hospital. Ye soriano pa ye person kofo building no more building na wo kwa brocha ase abonsan bi to aso 100 hwan say ye ofe. Enu ti ne yentimi en manage flooding. Inso timi to yentimi manage flooding. Because engineer no wo assembly ho no ye ma no kwa ma ne nye sa adwuma no engineer no onye sa adwuma no nti kromu ha ye ntimi manage waste because ye mfa scientist nye adwuma assembly sia eye more technical flooding na nsɛmtwerɛ for airfrɛ MPP ni NDC for to discuss ebia na onim sa technical knowledge no betimi di aboa but elsewhere say eba flooding eba waste management eba sa nyoma na eye experts ni enu mu kasa but aha no say doctor bi kura kasa ye mfi no because onye NDC ni ana MPP ni ebusia de America ne say oman a wani je say ye won more lawyers than scientists ni engineers no onkwa wanim oso ya no pa na ko iPhone 13 aba iPhone 14 aba Huawei fo aye we hwan fo aye ni nyina scientists ni engineers na aye. Nti na no China for say 6 years old obi a wadi 6 years e wo China bi o mo hia ase esua AI artificial intelligence eno na ye kwahwe de ye mani sua ye mani the homework ba ubusa se na de amu ye pa no omuni bebi awiase ko quickly mamemfa data bi enchrew e for China enti what would the enti a China for ko manim. What would the entire China for? In fact, Jeff, quick one, mommy, on how China for produce more engineers than USA. On Tiasia the internet, Nano, Chairman Xi Jinping, President of China, or say baby, o medruno. We are say obieni wa or what a fidie China or China, a China, and the China for they are both to say, Omu a fidie umpeso meku o metimi a blasti we are seeing in our boom. Within 20 minutes, they say China for. And now no can say the other time na who say 80th as anniversary no. Near independence no. Machines na they try no catch them say China o metimi adwo mu krom no ma be bombe Ghana within 20 minutes. And then the Third World War asem na ye ka no. Enye technology, science, and omudi ye adwuma. On mine no, yada so ye MPP ni NDC ni breaking the 8. We are not planning as a nation. Young koye nimche eneda hono. China's 6-year-old are being offered AI classes in schools. And now 250 CEOs want the lesson to come to America. Where May 8 to 8th of May 2025. Me betra na me kan sembia trewa. Me ka de beboa on mine Ghana. Beyond politics. China for say 6 years for no afi CEOs no mu wono prebi na Ghana de na pre. Nan say mebo me professor abaso Professor Rita Akosia Dixon, Vice Chancellor of KNUST. Say was say first year koni nyina no compulsory AI lessons. Uko KNUST ya. Yema me Professor Rita Akosia Dixon, Vice Chancellor of KNUST. Or say KNUST ebe shase esua AI artificial intelligence and no as a course. Many Japan say mama nyame nshira papa na mu amakabo mu amo support ye mama o KNUST of this particular one nyame nshira mo. AI should be a course. And into the na me ada bia me board doctor ya osedu chumaba so a enya bibia o. The man was bringing something we call STEM. And Nana Akufo-Addo so when it comes to education, the biana me two chairman Nana Akufo-Addo because investment papa no de ye no on education kwano say ye to aso sa na ban way to aso a I am sure say betimi akwa anim because the issue of STEM no kwa alone say me ani abra and no kwatimi sesa o man shebre not more lawyers We need to produce more engineers and scientists than lawyers. Share China overview. China engineering prowess underpins its global economic and technological leadership. Engineering talent fuels a wide variety of sectors from traditional manufacturing to cutting-edge technologies. This foundation has led to the rapid expansion of China high-tech industry and its continued dominance in manufacturing and infrastructure. It's a strategic sectors Libya ewoho. Quickly, the first one, manufacturing. Oko manufacture. China is the world's largest manufacturing hub, producing over 28.7% of global output in 2023. Baby, mechanical, electrical, industrial. China, omuko menim. What ya say ukru? Yeba civil and infrastructure development. Chinese engineers are responsible for constructing some of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in the world, including the Belt and Road Initiative. China, about dance, about road, about omakomanim. Next one, telecommunication. Before me, you see Huawei. You know that Huawei is one of the most technological advanced industry in the world. Now, China leadership in 5G. Yeah, struggle with 4G. China 5G. What in 5G? Internet data faster. Say, bo ni aneko. Tiani say 5G ni say. Ya jitu mu say 5G no. Na ya jitu say hey, COVID-19 ya di 5G technology ba. Uni ma asofo kwe asofo mpanifo te say Pastor Chris mu a o masua de aduru be mo say 5G say. And the China for the 5G technology na ya adwuma. It's Huawei and then phone. It said they manufacture over 50% of the world electronic showcases. China about telecommunications Oma take dominance. Yanko next one quickly. Ono mpacho betrans mami. Betra mami. Yedim komoko na nse ufri ho ne bai. Come mami aha. Total Chinese engineering workforce as of 2024. China was boasting engineering work for 4.5 to 5 million. Muntio. China for air produce 4.25 million engineers every year. Na better wait a minute na konenim. Chebe China for focus. On my when ya GN lawyers say koyebebo mu say oh congratulations call to the bar call to the menkasa lawyers. But you see me so on man be a konenim no enye lawyers ni produce more. And Kenano pay, Kaya boy and some say, hey, Ghana produce 100,000 engineers, 100,000 scientists, Omubabe rose and my Omubabe technology, Omudi mobile development, Omu the apps. And the lawyers are Omube Ropi into the NDC and MPP, lawyers for MPP, lawyer for NDC, near Dragia, no mining coning. Look at the breakdown of engineering discipline 2024 estimate. Mami. Manufacturing and industrial engineering, 1.5 million engineers. Civil and structural engineering, maybe a building technologist. A dance hone, a quine, a normal road, and infrastructure, and a flooding. Oma produce over 900,000 engineers. Electronic engineering. So we hear Huawei, no one, Oko Jom now, Kwakotobi made in China. They are producing 900,000 engineers, 2024. Software and IT engineering. And now, Naya Bibi, near the TikTok about, no one yaje, Unimdoye. They are producing 700,000 engineers, 15% increase. Chemical engineering, 350,000 engineers. Chemical, a draw way, kika way, bomeyen say way, efaha. They are producing 350,000 as of 2024. Other disciplines, environmental, say assassino, environmental, aerospace, biomedical, no. Na akukwomu akwa import abano. They are producing 150,000 engineers. Regional distribution, Kosro, Oba, Omodini nyina ba, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, Shanghai, Shenzhen, Jiangsu, ni nyina ye industry. It's in Kagana ha, Obebia, Kumasi forward, baby 100,000 engineers. Oko ebia Accra, ye will say. Nemo mupa calculate engineers ye produce moha as compared to lawyers ye produce moha. Engineering education, breakdown bebre 2023 ni nyina bi wo ho ye wi a ye be share ni nyina. What's the point here? The point is that China for na ye sorry anopa na ye pese ye ko ho no. They are producing more engineers and scientists than yen. By yen nije ye kosua political scientists na se for ba. Ye de be de ani awie na bibia nsi. Na ye da so beg. China will never beg when they have more engineers. Or maybe a konenim no. Omo de technology, vocation, sa anyoma ni ye adwuma. Omo de STEM. Dr. Yas Oseduchum under na Kufuado or pushy ya say mommy and yes I dear we know that's the game changer. But I say my making why the found because ebi I know Bibanso ebe graduate as a lawyer. It's a man thing. But many penny so unim people mun